If your gears are not shifting smoothly on the front cogs, your front derailleur needs a tune. You will need a small Phillips head screwdriver and a set of Allen keys to do this job. Keep in mind, this task is a little more advanced, so if you feel out of your depth after watching this video, we recommend contacting a bike mechanic for a service. The front derailleur should run parallel to the chain rings. If it doesn't, loosen the bolt attaching it to the frame and twist it into the correct position. Check that the height is correct. The outer edge of the derailleur should sit 2 to 3 millimeters above the teeth of the largest chain ring. Get your position right and retighten the bolt. Before moving on to any fine-tuning, you should first check that the cable leading to the front derailleur has enough tension. First, shift gears into the smallest front chain ring. Test the tension in your cable. If this is tight, you can move on to tuning. If this is slack, you will need to loosen the clamp that grips the cable and pull through until taut. Retighten and test again. Now the cable is taut, increase the tension by turning the barrel adjuster anti-clockwise until you can shift from the small to the big front cog with ease. If you have a flat bar bike, your barrel adjuster will look like this, but work in the same way. To adjust the lower limit, shift the derailleurs to the largest sprocket on the rear and the smallest chainring on the front. Turn the lower limit screw to prevent the chain from coming off the smallest sprocket. You're looking for a very small gap on the inside plate here. Now, to adjust the upper limit, shift to the smallest sprocket on the rear and the largest chainring on the front. Turn the upper limit screw clockwise until you get a small gap on the right between the chain and the face.